Hey guys, it's Crafty Cat, so welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to draw these french fries in Procreate. By the way, I'm using all the free brushes, and I'm going to be using Studio Pen in this tutorial. First, you're going to start off by doing a backwards kind of C, and then drawing two lines on the sides and making it into a square. Then you're going to make a new layer and take a darker color of red, a little bit darker, put that layer under the layer we just did and do it behind the red layer. Then I'm creating another layer in between both of those layers, and I'm just going to be drawing some yellow rectangles, which are the fries. And to give this more of a 3D effect, I'm going to take a darker yellow color, making a new layer, and I'm just going to put that behind the first layer. Then I'm just going to add some highlights to the fries and the box. And I'm doing this by making a little bit lighter color than the color on the fries. Once you're done with that, I just decided to draw a table. And I'm also just going to combine all of those layers together. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm just going to be drawing some backgrounds. So what I'm going to do is drawing some frames, and I'm just going to color those in with some shape. I also did that on another layer. So then I'm just going to combine all those layers together, and then I'm going to click that end button and